Dear Kenyans, welcome to my YouTube channel. If agriculture is something you fancy, I strongly advise you to subscribe into this channel. So today we paid a visit to this cattle farming homestead here at Chepkitale in Mount Elgon Forest. Some of these cattle are actually mine, and I came to do some deworming and some treatment, and also just to check on how these cattle are doing. So here in the forest we do farming, cattle farming. We rear cows, donkeys and sheep and goats. There are no boundaries here. The cows are free to roam anywhere, and it's a beautiful place. Look at the beautiful scenery. That's a hive. We also do some beekeeping here, just to conserve the beautiful environment here in the forest. Look at those beautiful ridges. If you may want to pay a visit to this place as a local tourist, you may contact me on my email account. It's actually very beautiful. If you want to explore, just email me. Look at those beautiful trees over there. And then look at our homestead. Yeah, look at where we keep our sheep and goats. That's where they stay. So keep subscribing into my YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this. Otherwise, thank you very much and have a beautiful and a blessed 2024. Bye bye.